Japan's economy expanded to a record high in the July to September quarter. GDP bounced back from its worst contraction since World War II. Michio Ishida has more from Tokyo.
Japan recorded the biggest GDP growth since data is available from 1980. Consumption, which makes up about 60% of Japan's GDP, grew 4.7%. It's on the back of cash handout to all residents, or 100,000 yen, about $960. Travel promotion campaign launched in July for most part of Japan, including Tokyo August onwards, has encouraged more to travel domestically. And as of end of October, 40 million traveled. Shopping coupons were also distributed, encouraging spending. Consumption was actually weak since last October, when sales tax was hiked to 10%. Exports rose 7%. It's on the back of resumption of global activities in the July-September quarter, in particular in China and the U.S. Japan's crucial car and car component exports recovered. But corporate investment contracted again by 3.4%, indicating companies are cautious. Housing starts fell 7.9%. Analysts point out the recovery is actually not strong enough. Only half of the GDP lost in the April to June quarter was recovered. Japan's GDP is still much smaller than 539 trillion yen or $5.15 trillion a year ago. Looking ahead, economists think growth will continue, but it will be much weaker. The U.S., Europe are hit by another wave of COVID-19 pandemic. Japan, too, renewed its record high new cases 4 days in a row last week. COVID-19 is expected to remain a downside risk. Michio Ishida, CNA, Tokyo.